government is working on them. So why are you angry right now?
I'm angry because of we are very outdated person.
See his face. See how, and he has made his face like a tree, and he has written something here: safe tree, safe environment, pollution, and he has made one tree here. Are very afraid, and they have no good quality of education, women's safety, infrastructure, and trees are cutting day by day. This is country. No, absolutely, our country is going down.
And the whole thing is pollution, and the whole thing is pollution. We don't have better air to inhale.
Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. This is me, Muhammad Zishan, and you are watching Intro English News Channel. Today, just as you can see, there are some youngsters, and they have come on the road and against government. They are raising their voice from this channel and through this channel. I want to raise their voice, and I want to ask their pain. Why are they standing here, and why they are protesting against government? So first of all, I would like to go from here to one by one. So just cameraman, please come here. Could you tell me what's your name?
Sir, my name is Sudhanshu.
Okay, your name is Sudhanshu. Why are you standing here?
I am standing is because in this time very much pollution increase our India, but in Delhi very much pollution.
Okay, that's as you can see, and he has written problem of pollution. You know, we know very well in our India every day the pollution is increasing. That's why the temperature, our global warming, that's also increasing day by day. So first of all, you know, also like in villages the temperature is okay, that's fine.
No, I'm living in Lucknow, but nowadays I'm living in Delhi. I'm saying here, I have very much problem nowadays in Delhi. Yes.
Okay, as you can see in the villages as well, there are so much pollution. People are unable to. Government is working on them. So why are you angry right now?
I'm angry because of we are very outdated person.
So as you can see, people, they are very angry today, and they are going to fight against the government. So first of all, here is also one person, and sir, you are very hatta, your body is fit and fine, so you should go at your home and take coffee, take tea, and you should sleep.
No, there's a lot of things I want to say to the government. There's we want better infrastructure, because you know because of bad infrastructure there's a very bad qualities of car, and bad qualities of car because of bad qualities of car there's a very carbon monoxide, and this is a very bad quality of gas. This is not
Actually, you know, government, they have announced.
And I want to say that we have to establish new e-cars, electronic cars, because we have advanced technology. Why we don't have knowledge to say to the government, and I want to say to the government. That's it.
Okay, so government, they are just, you know, they are increasing, and they are, you know, influencing people to establish infrastructures as well and other things as well.
Not this because of bad quality of roads. There's a lot of accident also in India also, and we are living in future. We are living in advanced era,
Okay.
and we have AI, and we have any other thing but we don't have good.
So this is the duty or beauty of people of this country. So why only government will take action against this?
Why not? Government is the civic helper of us. This is the main pillar of India. The government. Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, people are very angry. Our Modi ji is not here, otherwise they will start beating. So they are very angry. But sorry to say, to use this sentence. And here there are some also. So let me go this person. And as you can see, and see his face, see his face, see his face. See how, and he has made his face like a tree, and he has written something here: safe tree, safe environment, pollution, and he has made one tree here. So first of all, let me know what's your name, sir?
My name is Faraz Ali.
Your name is Faraz Ali. So where do you live?
I live in Deva Sharif.
So you live in Deva Sharif. So why are you here? So what's your age?
My age is 14.
You are 14. So you should go to school. You should, you know, study something.
How I can go to school?
Why?
Because you can see nowadays Telangana forest, they are fully forest cut.
Okay, so right now he wants to say that people are just, they are increasing and influencing deforestation in our country. So that's why the oxygen is decreasing and carbon dioxide is increasing.
There is our life.
So trees are actually, people are cutting trees. They are using, like they are making, window. They are making, doors. So they are making all these things. So they for their people's need.
How can you say this?
Like he also like he so people are just. They are very angry today, and they have a lot of questions, and they want justice from. And one person is standing here. So why are you standing here, sir?
Because I am studying of the justice for girls and women. And
Girls are very, they are very open, very generously. They are going anywhere. They can beat boys. They can abuse boys.
not going in the going in day, because not going in the night. Is the night so many darinde
The goons.
hoons in the night road and night road in the
One thing, let me say. So as you can see, and he is saying that girls are not safe. They are unable to come out of the home at night time. So why they want to why girls they want to come outside in night time?
because anything and any medical issue and the college issue and the tuition, you going in the tuition at late right and jobs, issues, so many issues in the late night girls.
That's why. Okay, so people, as you can see, there are so many social issues in our country, and every day those are increasing and decreasing. But the parameter of increasing issues is also increasing. So that's why we have the one girl is standing and she has written. Can you tell me what you have written here?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Bad quality of in government school.
Oh my God, the bad quality of education in government school. That's not good. So that's actually, government like in Delhi, like, Kejriwal, and he is giving good quality of education.
But in India, there is no good quality of education. Yes, sir. I saw a lot of government school. They have no quality. Teachers not us, teaches us, and teachers.
Actually, from government school, APJ Abdul Kalam and, Draupadi Murmu, she is president of this country. So she became president of this country.
But they are ancestral labors in this time. Government school is not teachers. Teachers are very late in school. They have a lot of facility, but teacher were not provide of student.
We need justice. हमारी मांगे पूरी करो. हमारी मांगे पूरी करो. हमारी मांगे. Justice for.
Yes, now so they are very afraid and they have no good quality of education, women's safety, infrastructure, and trees are cutting day by day. This is country. No, absolutely, our country is going down
And the whole thing is pollution. And the whole thing is pollution. We don't have better air to inhale.
Oh my goodness, so that is why in our country, we know very well more than 5 million people, they die due to heart attack problem, breath problem. So when did you come here?
I come here 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Oh my God, they have been standing here since.
खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे.
my
I
God.
stand here from 2 o'clock. And the government is not fulfill my मांगे.
My
Demands.
Okay. So as you can see, so any adhikari, any officer or any responsible person came to you, visited you?
No, only you came. Only you came.
So oh my God, this is our judiciary system in country. That is also
And also Goti media.
body media, and if it is just targeting here, please come here. Just as you can see, she is standing here. So what do you want from government?
I want for government of study very well in government school, because in government school study is very bad. 500 student in 50 fail, but in private school one student was not fail because of government, because of not.
She is trying to say that in private school not a single student failed in exam, but in government school, out of 550 students fail. It means the teaching, the style of teaching, the quality of teaching of government school is not good. So that is why. So what do you want to say about the buildings of government schools? Is it
Building out very bad, completely destroyed. In room is very unclean. They have cobweb, a lot of, and washroom is very dirty. I can't.
actually, there are some, workers, there are some washmen also.
Workers are not working. They are only sleeping anytime. They is coming very late, or any student out of class anytime, but they not.
Like she is trying to say that students, they bunk the class anytime, and teachers are not responsible. They are just making fun and coming to school, giving their attendance. Only they are giving their attendance and not focusing on the quality of education, not focusing the future of the students, what they will happen. And even though she was also saying that teachers of government school, they are himself, and they themselves are saying take only 23 number, you can pass exam. So this is enough. So this much quality of education. And one person is sitting here and he is also against silent no more. Silent no more. High fees in schools, college, university. Oh my God. And poverty. So that's why poverty is increasing. So what do you want to say? Like actually the private schools, they are giving facilities. That is why.
Yes. That is why.
Their fees is high.
Yes.
So this is good.
Yes, this is good, but any poor people, you cannot take admission.
They cannot take admission.
Yes.
So why they are going to government? They should go government school.
Government school is not a good facility and not good education.
So education is not going government sector.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So he is trying to say that in private school fees is very high. So that is why middle class people, poor people, they are unable to send their children to the private school. But in government school, education system is very bad. So from everywhere, we are just trapped. We are trapped into the poverty. So that is why we are unable to come from out. So that is why our country is going day by day under the drain. So first of all, one child is sitting here. So let me just come here. So sir, what's your name?
My name is Altamas.
Altamas. So what's your age?
My age is 12.
12. Oh my God. So as you can see, 12-year-old child, and they are standing and they are in this karakti dhoop. They are raising their voice against government. They are not happy. They are not happy with this government. And as you can see, he has written something: mixing chemicals in food and increasing diseases, health issues, and mental weakness. Okay, mental problems, right? So what do you want to say? Like a chemical food, who is mixing chemical?
But I don't know. But this is very bad work.
So actually people are mixing chemicals so that they can save the food for long time. That's why.